understanding of, try to have a visual understanding of the functions too, when it comes to domain. So what is the domain here? Suggestions, please. Okay, so what are those two highlight I've just done? What's the orange one represent? This is the domain of f at x, okay? And the red one represents the domain of g at x. So what is the domain of their sum or their subtraction? It's going to be the intersection. It's where they're shared. So it's going to be purely from -2 to 4. I'm using the two symbols interchangeably. I should stick with one. Yeah, in this graph of f, if it's equal to 6, what is x? That's right. So here's 6, right? On the function f, it's going to be 4 or -4. So x is going to be 4 or -4.